together. He don't get everything. So I say where he dey, yeah, they don't they toast them, but they don't they catch. And I say me go destroy you. If not true, say my husband cassava really small, it go better for you and no gay. But if my husband cassava not small, and no gay, you go run mad. You go run mad. My husband cassava very big. I love and die. I know I made the snatch out from my hand. That is just the secret. That is just the truth. So I no gay come. You never bath. Go brush your teeth. Before you come, they talk to comfortable married woman like me. Woman where know how to join my suffer. The man who can't get money, you can't be big man. Now me be this. Now me be this. I meet my husband. I don't do everything they okay. I don't look at any I say he never get money. He never I follow her today and he don't get money and no give. You now, you want marry. You go marry a shower way, don't do a shower tire. A shower way go spend the shower money for another man for Italy. E no give. The woman where you carry na bad market now you carry. The woman where be say he do a shower for another man. That one abandon I no marry her. Then you now you can't go carry another shentro again. My life better pass you. Any way I like, I call this my husband. So far now my own, he there with me. I suffer with this man. I suffer. He won't constantly come on, leave me again. I not go green. Any way I like, I call him. So far he there with me. Because I know when they suffer for me, finish the man go leave me. I know agree. Which woman go green that one? No woman go green that one. Hey, no you. That show to the world say a priceless or more responsible. Priceless the baby factory. The infection pekus. The infection pekus. Priceless the infection pekus. A flightless in Ojuwe Bashawo. Now man carry me come for Nigeria. I come meet this man. He not get house. He not get anything for New Beck. Now even if friend ask now go now with this squat. I come meet and you get big mat Sato. He they get big mat follow everywhere. He take shot now. So they turn out call and down. Say come. All this are what you they do so. All this are what you they do so Sato. You too get mat. You don't get anything. You go party, you no go send the mama money for Nigeria. Sato young millionaire, you go they spray money. I call the advice and say no they spray this money through where your mama they hungry. Even my mama Sato not they give my mama money the time we are there with Sato. To send 50 euro go give my mama, he no go green give. Sato go party, go they spray money. Now I can't say no, I go leave you. If you not listening to me, now so I can't say help Sato. Sato we can't gather joy hand. Nothing we are not do. Sato can't be millionaire, I can't get money, can't get everything. My people. Sato don't get money. Pastor, where would they send a message? Go back out for me. Go do this one for me because of the money where we get. We can't they send this pastor message. Now this same pastor, because of say, I tell Sato, say, no, they give this man money all the time. Now Europe now is still there. You get your family, your brother, no, they overdo for people. See your family for back home. See my mama, see my sister, see people. This money, we need to use that for our family, ourselves. Sato can't go they tell this fake pastor Abraham for New Beck. You go they tell pastor can't say, what do you want to do now? Now you can't give Sato something, may take up beer. Can't use that take up beer. Now so he tell, I don't know what he do Sato. Sato can't tell me, say, may we go Nigeria, go visit my people. Then we go visit the day when we do Papa Sato burial. Now that day, now Sato drug me for his hotel. He carry my pikin. He come back to Europe. He carry my passport. He use and carry another girl because now sponsor in they bring women. Now in they make at that time. You understand that now our idea police of this country know already. Now in they make I really built Sato life. Today, and another woman did the enjoy her. The money, now our money. 1 euro I not get from my own account. All the money where we work together, everything there with Sato. Everything there with Sato. So, Enoke, you are a small boy, you are a learner. Enoke, you are a learner. Enoke, you are a learner. When you talk, you say me get money. Even if I not get, But so far, the man wait in my life. If I meet them, there not be anything, there can't be somebody. If now only that gift where God give me, I am a blessed woman. You say 2 children, 2 papa. Yes, now wetin life give me, oh. That is why this one not go live her. Now wetin life give me. But you where you be man, 3 children, 3 women. You where you be man, now person like you, now be like this Sato. Where they turn women to single mother. And no get you must stop to the insult women. You must stop to the insult women. You must stop to the insult women. Carol White, blishy. Mona, let me share this video, my lovely people, I beg. This boy, don't say where they bully women, where they insult women, where they oppress women. I beg, Mona, let me share this video, I beg. I beg my darling people. He don't say where they bully women. You go just come and go, you begin to insult women. Eh? I don't want to go deep, oh. I don't want to go deep. You hear? I know my sure, I beg. I know my sure. This fake account not lie. I know my sure. Now so they take they pull life for my head, they talk, or say make I enter house. I know my sure. I need to tell my fans my own side of the story. I beg, let me talk my own side though. Maybe person they paint you black. Where you not be black. Maybe person they paint you black. Ain't no gay. Ain't no gay. You not fear. You carry your mouth, come with my children. The suffer where I suffer, now so your daughter go still suffer. With man finish, the man will come get money. Another woman will come chop the money. Go come label you name will not be your daughter. Oh. Now wait till you do me, now your daughter go see for body. Ain't no gay. Now wait till you do me. As your daughter, now you don't show your daughter do everything. Finish, man go just come for nowhere. You go say, I want marry this your daughter. You go marry your daughter, finish. Maybe when your daughter know her, your daughter, he not get anything. Your daughter can't help her. 2 of them can't suffer together. They can't make life together. They can't get money. Meanwhile, when your daughter there with that man, all the money where your daughter they make, both the one, 2 of them, they pack all of them. They go say, now, wow, now, woman not they get money. Now, wow, now. Then all the money, you go come drug your daughter. You go come curse your daughter family. You go come insult your daughter family. You go come beat your daughter. You go come go dump your daughter for Africa and no give. Now the prayer where you wait till you dey tell laugh me so it must happen to your daughter. If you cry, come outside and no give. Now there, now all the women where you dey curse. Now there our head go for they meet you day and night. It not go better for you. It not go better for you for night, no gay. Una say make they not they swear for children. Now wait till no gay swear. He swear for his children. He say me born for 2 man. Now by force, my people. Now by force. To say you want born for 2 man. If you not work, you not work, you can't kill yourself. If you work, he work. Eh, my people. If he work, he work. If he not work, he not work. Eh, no gay, stop bleaching. Eh, no gay, stop bleaching. Who they put right there? Wait, Mona, wait, me I remove this person. I bet Mona, me share her. Eh, no gay, stop bleaching. You don't bleach your brain, finish the money. Man, go just sit down for live video. Just begin to insult woman. Wait, not even near her. If woman and woman, they fight, my people. If woman and woman, they fight. Eh? Let them fight. There be women. Let them fight. Then you go just come and come they fight because of say the other woman give you 50 euro. You begin to insult somebody's wife. My people, you not done. You understand? Okay, my children not innocent. Do no get come they talk yesterday. Not be person born me. Eh? All these fake account people I go block now. I want block now, so I not did there. Any comment, Mona go down. I know get una help. I bet Mona, let me share this video. Eh, no give Carol White boy, you where you be beggar. You where you break person head for Aduro house. You where police still they find. You where you they hide, they go. Eh, no give. Eh, no give, you they cost me. What I do you, eh, no give. Eh, no give, what I do you? Eh, no give. They beg you, may you stop to the do bad thing. May you stop to the do bad thing. Eh? E no go just come and say go just sit down for live video because you dey insult women. Now so women, now priceless toto now you they describe for live video. Now so women toto they smell. Now so women toto they do this one. Now so women toto they do that one. Now una can't useless pass all those useless women where they call inside. Now una can't useless pass all those women. Now una can't useless pass. Now una can't useless pass all those women where just they call inside. Because of say that better persona. Now una can't useless pass. Ma go just sit down, you they just go on your fellow woman like una. Una go just they call, una go just they calling, una go just they happy. No, na stupid pass. I beg go. I know they forget any sag. I beg. You tell me, I tell you. I beg go. I beg go. I want to tell Enoge say na small boy. Enoge the Caro White boy. Enoge the bleacher. Enoge the stupid boy. Enoge the small boy. Enoge the small. He girlfriend to call me. Oh, he has girlfriend with friend. Make I listen to your audio. Make I tell you now. Wait, that one called me yesterday night. He called me. He said, "Mama, better record me, but no play for live video." Now wait till he talk. Okay, me I listen. He say Enoge, where he live Enoge. He say Enoge, he bleach go reach in Nyash. He say Enoge. He say Enoge, in Nyash black. He say Enoge, he cassava is small. Now this thing that they. He say Enoge they use medicine. He say Enoge cassava small. He say Enoge they use medicine. He say Enoge go use medicine. The day we not see medicine, take fuck woman. He say Enoge not the fit do anything. He say na that one he can't they think say you understand? You understand? He say Enoge not the fit do anything. If Enoge not drink medicine, taste you know all those useless Italian Caro White boy and that Enoge be. He say Enoge. He say na that one ain't your look for Enoge. Say he say they can beat woman. He say Enoge na Caro White. All of the days I made this thing. He say he can beat woman. They talk anyhow. He say Enoge go the first and say me she go do a shower. Say woman na wash shower. But the man where the first and me go do a shower now. This man so he prick small. If Enoge not drink medicine, he know they fit do. He not go fit to. What about if they not come they see medicine again? I ain't go tell live with that kind of man. He say na he drive Enoge. He say na he drive Enoge oh. He say Enoge they drink medicine. All this sniper. When the girl tell me the thing shocked me. Oh, he called me yesterday. He say, "Mama, tell Enoge this thing. You go remember." When I know say pa the Murphy first he talking for a live video say, now she they drive Enoge while go and shower us with belle. Enoge now you can't they talk to me. Now ma bring me con Europe. Oh. I not be like your wife, eh? Now ma bring me con Europe, Enoge. You use your mouth to talk for the live video where you do yesterday. You say person where do a shower better pass me we not do a shower. Now you where you do a shower. Now not do a shower better pass who do a shower. Yeah, Enoge. Now not do a shower, not talk more. Now not do a shower better pass. You say who do a shower better pass me. I want boy meat. I want boy meat. You understand? You say who do a shower? I want boy meat. You say who do a shower better pass me? Me we kpekus the smell. My kpekus the smell na good smell. Good smell. Good smell. Block the redhead. Hey, I blocked it now. Queen, thank you so much, my lady. I'll block all the redheads. Una no come here again. You understand me, my darling people? Mona share this video. So, my darling people, Enoge not do a shower better pass who do a shower. You hear me? Enoge. Smelly kpekus better pass kpekus wey be say they come flush from inside belly through nyash come outside. where warm, where they flush warm. Your wife now talk am for live video. You say infection can't block a womb when they do a shower. They can't flush her from nyash away. They can't flush all the worm. They flush worm come out for inside. They flush her come out. You dey crazy. You don't say one they bully me. Una bully don't too much. Anybody where write and yes, arrest or not talk, I go you be hater. You don't say one they bully me. Who na help? Now wow, Esther's now. You understand? And no gay talk say in wife wey do a shower better pass me. I bet they no gay no better pass me. Me no carry belle go. Me no carry belle go road. Eh no gay, you must hear word. You must stop to the insult women. You must stop her. You must stop to the insult women for this social media. If woman get problem, let them face their problem by themselves. You go collect 50 euro to the insult woman, person, wife. Am I pure? You like you curse me, oh, you do, oh, you curse me, I go curse you. You must stop bullying. You must stop her. Eh? You want bully me? You know, when me know say my husband cassava, oh, big. Not be because I say big, I follow her. I just love his personality, everything we do with her. Now you like. Now make her just day here, die here. Ah, girl, are you a learner? So, my darling people, make we continue. And no can say my wife do a shower, it better pass you for live video. The last time we first do that day, he say, priceless is my investment. Priceless is my investment. Under 1 year, 2 children. Under 1 year, you they love me say 2 children, 2 papa. You now see 3 children, 3 papa, 3 woman. 3 children, 3 woman, and you never, if they happy, under 1 year, don't get 2 children because of kindergarten. Now, the one where you they do so, I go choke her for your eye. I'm saying it to live video. I'm going to report you to police, so that if you want go sign, they're not go give you. I'm going to make her side gay for you that you are insulting woman, you are bully woman. I bet who know Richard real name. Who know Richard real name? May give me, may impose me with a real name. Wait, shop aduro. Who know Richard real name? Who know Richard real name? I beg. He address. Who know I make it give me? They bully me. Make I go tell Ogbalegbe where they Germany say this man is a nuisance. This man, the wife buy now what you do me now? Want to you say me buy papa? Me go come with paper from Nigeria. Me buy papa. Me you pull that for my head. So I want make this country check my paper whether I buy papa. Because when young millionaire bring me come this country, don't get my passport before me come. So can you imagine person will bring person for Africa, he get my passport. Ask that kind of person to take go buy papa. So in no gay, we are going to investigate you. We are going to look for who sign for that your baby when you don't get belle quick now. And I go still report you to social. Say you they bleach your baby. I'll still report you to social. Say you they bleach your baby. You they bleach your baby no gay. You they use Caro White cream till they bleach your baby no gay. I go still report you. Then I go tell German people, I'll carry your video, go meet there. You say me buy papa. I say I not buy papa. You say I buy papa, I say I not buy. I want make they come check our own who buy papa for between me and you. You say I buy papa, me I not argue. I buy papa, no problem. So no gay, me and you, police go bring who buy papa come out for 2 of us. No gay. I first tell you, I say I go deep part for your eye, you know, yeah. I say, when you leave women alone, you know, yeah, no gay. Because of Monica, many people don't enter public. You yourself go see enter public. Thank God, at the same country, me and you did. All the oppression, all the bully, one that don't bully me. Now you I'll take pay for it. Now you I'll take pay for it. Now you we egbe no muwe. Ugwe make ya asa. Because okpenuke we no gi. Benukeu. Oma not there that we ma they we water. You say I buy Papa B, but I not buy Papa. I not buy. Thank God. So I go police station say, ich bin Frau so and so. Meine Kinder, meine beide Kinder, ich habe 2 Kinder, 2 Vater. Ja? Meine erste Sohn, hier ist die Vater. Meine zweite Tochter, hier ist die Vater. Bitte eine Junge auf Social Media gesagt, meine Kinder, die beide habe ich gekauft from Adi oder Lidi. Aber ich habe nicht gekauft. Diese Papier, die verkauft das nicht in Adi. Der verkauft das nicht in Lidi. Diese Papier ist from die beide Vater. Ich habe nicht gekauft. Aber ich habe auch gehört, dieser Mann hat seine Papier gekauft. Bitte gucken meine Papier und gucken auch von diese Junge. Bitte, ich möchte gucken, dass ich möchte Aussage machen für diese Junge. Weil er sehr über mir ist nicht richtig. Alle lügen. Ich habe nichts gemacht. Ich habe meine Papier nicht gekauft. Ich habe nicht in Adi gekauft. Ich habe nicht in Lieder gekauft. Aber diese Junge gesagt, ich habe meine Papier gekauft für meine beiden Kinder. Bitte, ich mag Aussage für diese Junge. You don't enter one chance. You don't enter one chance and no gay, Caro White boy. You don't enter one chance, so before you come Germany. I don't even get my German passport. Me ya me. Ogugwe omo ewa de. Uma get money to ne. Uma be mudane nu ya ka sign ne. Uma get gbe oke no rieko. Uma get nu gbe oke no keko de. Uma get gbe oke ma ropa. Egbe gbe onyon we. U get gbe oke ma. Every time. Oga go. Uwe Monica. Uwe Lolo. Uwe Star. Uwe Star. Yeah. Uwe Star. Uwe Monica. Uwe Lolo. Uwe. Ikwoniro wodo. Owa gugwana. Nuwe mujo gwa mewe introduction. Umewe introduction yo. Umewe introduction yo. Umewe introduction o. Umewe introduction. Wagumeka video na. The bullying is too much. A bullying is too much. Opene no geke bully me. Nyeve Monica. A bullying is too much. Wagimaya name social media. But yeah, zio boy your why no gi. Yeah, most of zio boy your why. Give me that this thing. Yeah, zio boy your why all that jam yeki. I dey cook. Yeah, most of zio boy your why. Oh, la javi yeki. But we made data. Any mana data. Now we made data. Any yata. Ya low wedge. When Monica ya bully ya bully over social media now. Or we bully ya ne. Or we are here pay cut TV. No ya have Monica no lagwa. Una uyu na ya deba Monica. No ya have Monica no lagwa. No ya deba Monica. Wa bully who ni rewebo. Wa bully who abi ko ni o wa ne e Monica matic gbe depression yan no ya mu ma gboto e ya ti e yo we live video no o wa no gie onisa no sie e o pe aneke agaye tu ni ene nwina e ki awo ye tu ni yan we unwe drug uru sniper e dopa wa wunyu we biyan ti eni omozu epupu yeke no mu kian no wa okuoda okuno gbodo okuoda umarie no ki umarie la wa unda okuoda we me passport if that fi me daddy mana when my husband new conjure when I get passport oh I dey beg my husband not look for trouble if person slap you give am this tell am bye bye make he forget the document. Okay, no, now marry your bonny. I may one lie. A priceless old Jamoza. Ashawagwa, me. Or what see a man you make your whoever. Cannot Western Wakaya, what betrayed they are, maybe social media every day. Now they mad for social media. Mona, let me share this video, my people. I beg. If you love women, please share this video. Enough of bullying on women on social media. Enough of bullying. Enough of bullying. Una try. Una think on fit scatter my marriage. Right? Enough of bullying. Enough. I want block some idiots. You don't say I be they leave them since me I remove them for here. I don't know say una mona come here. Enough of bullying. Enough. You go just they bully women every time. Every time. You forget say your mama na woman. You forget say your papa, your mama na woman. You forget say your I don't they block them, not them be this one so with fake account. You forget say your daughter na woman. You forget say your grandmama na woman. I they block all the redhead. You forget say your auntie na woman. I they block all of them, all the redhead. Iwa vinya yakbana. Mona, the ones who do mistake. Who be this one? If na mistakes on teputa. You forget say your auntie na woman. You forget say Mona share na Mona share. You forget say your pupu yeke wey be say you get belle you dey use because of money. You dey carry and go ashawoas. You forget say your pupu yeke na woman. You forget say your daughter na woman. You forget say your mama na woman. You forget say your grandmama na woman. Every day you go come outside begin to shout, they insult women. What we women do you? Unwe ko talk gbewa son talk gbewa about talk gbewa wa ye yoria. Very useless any boy no gay. No gay black yash. Got a white face. Black yash oh no gay. Eggy look May they not come call us say you don't die put for priceless shares one day. They say no get this thing so it be. Oh ye tinye unu ni owaje unu hun. Uhun. No get mana mi hun uwe. No get mana mi hun uwe. No gie. Ubi adojo je gwe ya gie odono sabari enime. Igwe ta gbinaje okpia na but ona choose me okwo wi women na vigo me we ni lao we oda we am oda fun we ma are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Itamu gba mi no si ene igelele lo kpia na suse yo kpia na yin e mi ro pa gwe bo na o mene ikwe no pa ene no ri comment here wa se aime ikwe no pa enoge. Because he make you ya ma. He make you ya vawona zero hero. Hero. Una your way you working on that meno. I mean they run now. Na me they run now. Igwa run now. Brother for ya proud of him. You proud of him. Are you a learner? Vinyati a ege presidency. Oga hwa gbon. Okwenu bi adweke ojanugwe una. Okwe go ama. Amerie be yo wobo. Oba to poti e bonu gwe gun a. We no presidency gu o wa se we no me fashion. We no me fashion. We the presidency gu o wa se we no me fashion. Oh man, see well like what we baby. You make you rest now. You know say I never born. Let me first be born first. Let me first be born first. I never born. Let me first be born first. Now, I beg. Rest for this. This person not cost you now. Leave her. Leave Monica matter. Oh, what that presidency? Priceless is a bad woman, bad egg. Very bad woman. Because me, I know the way me country they do follow my husband at that time. The time when you cannot be say not get paper, I get 5-year document from Italy. But I want him to stay out of trouble. So that if you know go along no me ya winner, no ya winner, no ya gba. My husband, he always buy tickets. The day when my husband not buy ticket, I say use leg, they work out, they go where you they go. Use leg. Use leg, then they go where you they go. He go track her. Also, just make it not get problem with the government of this country. No give farmer une wo wa duro. Ona wa farmer wo wa duro make I drop my number. No give farmer une we me hiamu when the police. me you no ya ta waiting me dera imadera na mo oge yo won imadera imi ata me police no check him no investigate him di dera how they don't investigate well because they no nusu where ya where yogi me ya where na don so loyal adian. My people make I put number who call him enough of fake life. You can't bully me anymore. Who you help? You can no longer bully me. Echo, why bully? Someone want bully me. I want to drop my number. Make better people, better housewife, better people. Mona call him because let us tell each other the truth. If you decide what you no get they do so say good make they curse women. You not be say you are not a good person. You go just come and just begin to describe women bekus for inside live video. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Somebody called me yesterday. He be begged me, one of my fans, Mama, I beg you leave Enogie no get sense. Enogie no say another person matter. They know they carry and put for edge. He no here. He no here. Aswa we now. So my people, don't drop my number if you want call in to call. Enogie Black Yash. Eke the drug man. The sniper. Enogie the sniper. Enogie guy one with sniper no. E also not lazy. I talk. Now man where they drink sniper. Not lazy. In the morning go do this so or you went sniper ne eke ani ne tuni ani or is a buwe bedo woe. I saw the lad of a live video the swan tia bonema. Ekaro white boys eni awa gwe yin wani. I said this girl finish Enogie. He finish Enogie. He say Enogie wetin he just dey in mind. Ya gbashawo you are worry go me. Nena shawo ni aya gbenu when I Enogie. That is why you see Enogie. You can never see Enogie in the afternoon or in the morning. Now it's the night. You go you come live video. You go you sit down. He don't use that small sniper ekia. He say Enogie. Enogie go you drink. The day when you not see sniper, Enogie go you the sweat. Go you the sweat. Enogie stop hard drugs. Stop hard drugs. Stop. Nah, not bad. They definitely want call inside. Who they put this right there? This person doesn't start again. This one are the new one. Now make I block and they come. Make I see block this new people. More than share this video. Make I see block this new our mozu. Enogie, see your life. Are you just small rich so? Waga video na wala wagumega eh. Enogie, your mama na woman. Your daughter na woman. Your children na woman. Now so guess you they born, you they consider for live video. Cause they insult woman. Enogie, you when me push come out for inside here. I push you like this. Phew, you come out. Enogie, you be a push come out from Ekbekus. You come they sit down, they curse me, you they crazy. Are you a learner? Enogie, you when me push come out for here. I shit you, I mess on your head. I shit for your head, Enogie. You come they curse me. Are you a learner? Are you a learner, Enogie? Elena we him. Enogie, Elena we him. Abemona. Enogie day. I go block her now. Enogie, are you a let Mona share this video? Wala. Oh, Enogie, don't say we Enogie take two. He don't Enogie when he may never we me. When he may yonya. When he may nisa young. When he may swase young. When he may wall away young. When he may Enogie, are you a learner? Enogie, when he may nisa young. When you many say your do atiebo no ho, who do atiebo ni ko ni rogodo. Enogie. When you many say your when you may your Enogie. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Yo, call brother. Are you? What I contribute? Okay, the name Muja tia bomel. Okay. Because Emma they no can do atia boni ko na Emma.
Are you ready there?
Go anya dami your way.
No one level up here, no matter what. If maybe a God, if boy up on a party, also put on the you take up your woman or get there, go away, you know. It's time you have that in a book, you know, all those kinds of things done.
Me down. Oh, Pulima, Esaga now, oh, what's wrong with your bonnet, no matter bonnet.
You know, there is a window, always do give you the money up in the devotion of the devotion of your Nepota, the devotion of the way we are here with Bonamia. Away, if a woman and woman, boy, and I went away, and I mean, the devotion of all women or free now, of my way free door, and I asked for it.
I'm away free door.
I'm away free door. You know, I saw me, okay, that's not. When you go to the woman in Yalaka, you go put it in the rabbit and a so that is very bad. Then we won't go to with the wall with what is not with
Kakabo.
Okay. We're not paying 1 million way, no, where everyone.
Iya pay ya me pay ni me dey Facebook na ya pay o.
No, you went for example, I pay for example, I pay for you go in some of the man who know. Man who done it, but you go na for ya na for ya go na.
Money carry 50 euro na ya bully my Facebook.
Money or no money, okay, they just over there. You know what the kids are taking money coming here, cover the movie and start to be there. You don't know what the it's a usual.
Oh.
I'm not saying why.
I will say I nena.
Why can't you relax yourself and just wait for the rain of God to fall upon you so that your life will shine? Okay, you are in Germany, you don't have the window, you have the okay. Honorable the document. Okay,
Egbe wa wo me o. Egbe wa wo me o no bo ka wa ya ma ememe na wa la egbe o me gbe de gbe ki egbe okay ipo ni ke
all the whole I don't know what they say. Okay, what would you know? I don't think we don't call it now. Nobody will make but no, apart from only God. I don't know if you understand me. That's the truth. I don't know phone now, so back on phone now. What are you now? Okay.
Epa gwe no ge kwa television won la problem in the opinion na o ke no mu nya me if me appoint police ni ya investigate me dege ti dera because I hear be liti be wona I hear be wo o weti me dera
Damio, okay, then I know mama wa mo you work area ya well. Okay, fine. You we go now we na jena on I put ya we put ya mo.
Epa gwe mo go ma de we se la wo gwe gbe ti ope no ma na ke ti sin we se hello. Hello, my sister. You want to contribute?
Yes, I want to contribute for this matter where you get grants.
Okay.
I beg you, one of the not here now. One of
no kie. I ka me gwe nege iwe me. No la no agwe me na ma agwe.
My leader, what's what we have? Oh, Esther Talk Show. I beg you, give Esther Talk Show thumbs up for this live video.
Thank you, my sister. I madam your work one. Here you charge it. Where so Sadepa where she where say? Okay. Good afternoon. I don't pick your call. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for calling.
Yeah, happy Sunday.
The same to you. God bless you, sir.
Yeah, I said not the waste of time for that.
No, I go waste my time. Oh, this boy don't to bully me. He don't to bully all the women. He go they curse women. He know say mama na woman. He get daughter na woman. He get auntie na woman. He get cousin na woman. He go come back on the insult married women. Every time I know they tell her, I beg oh, not tell me oh, I beg. Not tell me oh. I put my face. Anywhere I go come and defend myself as a woman, I go still stand for other women who are still responsible, still defend them. It's very wrong for a man to stay on live video, be insulting married woman, be cursing married woman. Every time. No, not talk more. I go reply am.
Even that Monica, I blow self when they smoking, but you know they see how they do like.
Hey, he just smoking go now.
All those useless people. They are jobless, mama, both those people. Even I know just a bastard. He don't chop for a bar house finish now. He don't run go money.
He don't betray a pa. He don't betray a pa.
That's when you get picked for all that. Find something to be doing, not to be talking about people.
Egbe wa wo me de no ki o no wa o iro gbodo o ime suse ye edagbo me ni ejo e be na na egbo yo ka ke suse no ki ikie pure water make your pani ma do okwo no enegbe fi just dey na ya dey your border the first one mo swa no bio meva no mo meva no ereva mo swa mo bi akuro amen okay amen. Izagbono ma esato go ya no eve na ni ku ya eva ni na mo khwane igimano mo khwane no kie. Are you mad? Are you a learner no kie? Are you mad? Hello. Good afternoon. Good morning, my sister. I don't put her.
That know the mama just cause her where we are not get sense. Blishy.
He girlfriend finish her. He girlfriend say na sniper night they fuck. He prick small where. He say na just smile. I want make her. Now so that one night they talk. I go make her. I want make her. You go make her. You dey inside house. They insult women. Hello, I dey hear you talk.
I said that you mentioned so you draw a follow grab, make you swear where so that next time you go not snub everybody when they snub me that they talk to anyhow.
Okay, thank you. I hear my sister. God bless you. I go deal with her. Go ask the people who fight me for inside boss. Iya ye say you obey lawyer. Iya ye court ye court. Me. You got me another way. Yeah, I see your bolua. Hello, my sister. Better talk. With the hear you. Good morning.
I agree the answer. I beg.
Or we are not flush we in la diabo missing here. We know ya bashawo. A baby factory. And not the man when I'm monoboka appear no ya make it. I will make it. Odu atie boniko. Ya wa ya show example. Ya show example. Odu atie boniko. Okwo mu we ye kokwo pie we. Okwo push we like that. Okwo pie we. Ona push we like that. Odu atie boniko. Okwo omu we ye go for 9 months. Ona pie we. Ona koko we. Ona mu we like Ona be a way no gi. You are a learner. Your mama is a woman. Your papa is a man. Women, you have to respect women. Enogi. Your daughter na woman. Your wife na woman. You sit down on live video every day, be insulting women, be telling women smelly pickles, this is that. You na black yash, Kaipa boy where they use medicine till they sleep with women. Hello. Good afternoon. Boy, where they use medicine till they sleep with woman, they carry woman go a shower as now you be. Go and bleach your black ass. What this is just a warm one. Yeah, Idiana ya levai. Eba ya le na. Ya levai no pia no enegbe no wina. No, not that me nita whatever na. I tell her say come. Stay out of trouble. If you want to look for your document, you don't need to make trouble. May they not give you. Then go while I change the ticket. Ever ma odavona wo okay. Me anita ma ya go a passport or iwe mukiana nia. Or iwe mukiana nia. Ege ni wa gbobi your da for ma omo bona no we nu gbe yo. Well, thank you. Bye bye. No ke me rie nu gwe na o. Ameze de rie nu gwe. Aiguarie nuevo, eto awa fama Amerie nuevo. Aiguarie nuevo, wa fama No. Wa fama If they can't give you call, baby they come, you know what make come in peace. May they even know whether they'll give you, whether they won't give you. You go, they insult women every day. They insult women because of 50 euro. And okay, so you want to tell me that you are a man of 50 euro? I'm so ashamed of you. If you are a man of 50 euro. Hello.
Hello, mama. Call you. No, no,
he said. Cause you were saying. Okay. Okay.
Infection when not be fashion your mama. Kenya also when so a condori iPhone. I mean condoya do ye fomu. A fomu yati a boaba beside the biabodo. For mini when you so pieces a for mini. It's me guy push a pieces for me. Ya block a vagina tube or here. Oh yeah, block of Masoya period period pieces of hair. Oh yeah, block over any money for my not to see fashion. Oh yeah, block. When they buy it, yes, a part of flush have a condom. Oh yeah, condom. Yes, okay. Oh yeah, yes, so yeah,
Kakabon, on a picture. Hey, your time life video we Monica. Monica me bet mark we lappy. Yeah, your time at the video rap. A baby mama, a baby factory. Yeah,
because you want your call, so because not see me now calling when I'm this we are needed we are we contribution when we may want like contribution
contribute to vision me call you equal we all have to join hands together and fight all the male live video bullying women. We have to fight them. Enough is enough. Ma biya me. Ma biya na. When walk na do ma luwe na ladia we are ladia boa. Wa get good to atia boniku. Why you dey insult women? Why? Now we born now. If you say we not born now for not day life today, you consider for live video they insult women. No, we are going to treat your fuck up.
And at the same time, all the single mother will not get the insult. No, get all the single mother will join Sister Esther TBT for this platform.
Yes.
One bit and say you need help. Bring your account number. No, get before you will do 1,000 euro. Sister Esther will do 5,000 euro. Now who will kill you? 5,000 euro.
Yes.
Let me tell you, I'm ready to use all my 1 month salary to take sponsor your debts. To take sponsor your debts, no give.
Because they call single mother, they cause women. Waiting women do you. If doesn't not be some stupid men where they make some women dead single, therefore dead single. That be una they cause her. Now some men, you really see some women that they're very nice.
No, give me, I tell you, I don't already take your picture. I don't already cut your picture on Facebook. Me now the piece for your head now, Saturday. So I just
peace for your head.
My poor boy. I just the piece for your head. Period now. I will soon enter my menstruation and I will watch for your head. No, yeah, you want it for me. Yeah, they come call you a boy. Since you when you know to work, but when we are new, when you era is why I hold them over. Arayela laha. See, yourself, they don't feel do better. See, all the money where this girl do for Asha, mama, na ajela allow those who all those cuts now, mama, they do your mother in law wasted in one room. Oh, yeah, na my in one room, or is your way, she's even not with me. I guess, sister, away they insult, you know, do a shower for road, you know, even know what they call road, but your woman might not be a pa, way even help you by the more you way help your woman, say, no, do a shower, try and make you settle down. At the end, when I still turn that man to bad man, I think your wife was still there a shower road, now they do a shower. If I never see both those children where they say, my wife, my children, Mama, I beg anybody will just call you, tell you say don't you know too because I was so sad when I see a no-gay. Cause I comment, put cause a no-gay block me. A no-gay block me as I go insult now for a platform yesterday. No-gay better not go follow you as say you want to be insult woman. Now God na go punish a no-gay. Why you be a way anyway? No, of you want to mass no back no papa no-gay abu no go my any we turn of my son of time. We my son of back man no-gay. We my son of any we no kiro. Okay, where Ebo
warrior, no yala luwe. Ebo wa warrior no gi.
Anybody that can leave this thing, rest for this thing, why you go rest?
Why not you go they come out, they insult women all the time? Why? No, not the answer. No, not they talk that one.
Everything woman, see the other woman will still cry come out for Germany that day. That one for 50 beat you, that single mother. Now that girl, love it. Now she for 50 beat you.
That's why he come out. Woman cry, come out, say they take it piqué. No get come out, come they insult the girl. And no get come they talk, say the girl get HIV. And no get come they beat that girl. This thing pain me. So, he just say no get no what that woman they go through. Woman where be say they take it piqué. A single mother for that matter. Do you know how it is for somebody to be single without the father of those children? They are not there. You come and you can't insult the woman, you can't abuse the woman. I am a woman who stand for my women. I will stand for them.
Yeah. Now that my sister quiet too because if not person like me, because I never pray to be in a shoe. If not person like me, I'll just go wait for you for your downstairs. You just come and the kind batch what I will give you, the kind thing what I will do you. As you say me don't carry HIV, so the HIV I will take I will put on for your body so that me and you will get on. The only thing I will do you, that is if you they call why you
Now so he called they curse that woman, he cursed the woman, curse her. Woman with 4 children without no papa. And no get come out, I call they call her. He call they call her and say he carry HIV. You know pity the woman say they carry a pikin. And no get my pity I say no get wicked rich. And no get why ya deal with you where?
So
yeah, deal with you no get.
we help you do it, no get. Waiting you what now? May we help you do it, no get.
Me wagunya weapon. Baby, je ya fe single mother ya fefe. Wa go be mo bogbe no gie. Wa ya view wa latia. Nu wa ya biele money. E money neri ya gu wa reva wa suffer koke money kia. Wa ya view wa latia wa ya mo bogbe no gie. Ani kwenu kwa kume o. Single mother ya no gitia bona. No gitia bona we live video. No gi e new kuka. Wa ya latia wa mo bogbe no gie. Ani kwenu kwa ume. Ise la ni be mo go ba we ya degbe ti ewe je won we sin. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, is that Esther?
Yes, it's me. Who is this?
Na enoji matter now I want contribute.
Okay, contributor.
You're not supposed to cause her. You're supposed to cause her small. Why be say if France already cause her? Why be say all those my mama wey be like say it is to born enoji. All of them they call enoji enoji wey be small boy. Enoji wey be small boy just now. All of them just they come out when they use greeting. They cause enoji. Ipadomo. That one pass course.
That one pass course.
Now small you young cause why be say don't die, don't dead. So you know you never see anything. You know it's now where you put her in house so I will kill her. So make just give her small.
Okay, sir.
One,
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir. So, my people, where God go bless. All the single mother, all the women where no get the cause for a platform, why am well at young one no kie. Because that woman that day, I see the way no get take that woman upon all that pain where she did. She did cry, said they take it picking. EJ, who be this one? He did cry, say they take it picking. Yeah, more now let one second. Hello. Hello, my sister.
My lady, good morning.
Good morning, my sister. Good morning.
I greet everyone in the house. Our woman, our fellow women, they call, they saw their fellow women.
I just tired. Now so the life can't be now.
It's supposed to stand for ourselves.
I just tired. Now so it can't be.
They're supposed to stand for themselves, but they'll come there. You when you know say you carry the thing for your middle of your leg, you go come out. You'll see they insult your fellow woman. Now they're supposed to they shame for herself. Because a woman is supposed to fight for women, but nowadays, if they don't hear where they insult, maybe they hate the person. And see they laugh, you see they laugh under the middle of your leg.
Yes. He forget.
You know the way they inside. When you get wife, when you see the list, they say, I don't know how Benin people take the talker. Say, it's not away. You yourself, you're supposed to be shame for yourself because you get the thing for your middle of your leg. Your baby where you get the thing for the middle of your leg. All of us get the thing for the middle of our leg. Even your mother, he get the thing for the middle of our own leg. But you come out, you go to insult women. Women this, our fear, our way, our ejolo. Any man on the social media network where they insult women, they insult their private part. We should say no. Women are the most powerful people in this world. We should say no to such nonsense. Because without women, man, there will not be year of earth. Without women, man not go there year of earth. But I blame the women. But you, because now they go if they call the boy person, you don't hear this one. This one be like this. This one be like this. When you know say you get two Bobby, you get the two woman. You say you dey.
Oh, network. Hey, yeah, this lady, I'll leave you, make you talk because you don't make sense. I dey hear you, my sister. Talk. I dey hear you. Hello. Oh, network just a disturb. I be just a lie waiting this lady they talk. Oh, network. Hello. Network, not let me hear. Hello. Hello, good morning.
I block pretty diamond.
Okay, may I block her? They come make I block Pretty Diamond.
Pretty diamond, yes.
Okay, make I block her. Thank you. Pretty Diamond, where you? Pretty Diamond, where you? Make I block you. Hello, my sister, talk. I don't hear you now. They talk.
The way they try to bring your fellow woman down. Now, so God is saying, go see send helper to you to bring you down. Because all your fellow woman, a man, no boy for that matter, you go come out. When they say, for them to focus on their own children. The Bible says, he that give birth, he that conceive trouble, will surely give birth to he that conceive, will surely give birth to trouble. Because he won't get there, you not go respect yourself to say, I'm a pregnant woman, my husband, stay away from trouble. Let there be peace in our home. Let there be harmony. Let there be unity. My husband, stay away. Money is the root of evil. Money will not bring you life, but money will consume you. Money will make you cry, or money will make you go grave on time needed. Money just to touch and leave it here on earth. Money not they lead us to anywhere. But people take money as their life.
Yes.
Money can buy life. Do you know many popular people that lost their life? Because they have money.
I just the Lemona wait, make this lady fair talk finish. It they make sense. I bet Mona wait. I want make this lady talk sense. Put for a no head. Hey, I bet.
Yeah, but in money, the generation of Onoge not finish. But because they see small change, they let people to bring them down because of small change. Onoge was the first person I like because the way he approached the issue of in the first beginning that said that let there be peace. I appreciate him for that. I said, oh wow, what a young boy with integrity. But at the end is the one. He even said, he made a comment in with his mouth. He said that I don't look. That is, you have this deep in your heart, but you don't want to speak it out. You were just waiting for him to come to the right track so that track him down. Such people like that, anybody here on earth that draws such people near themselves, now so the same person will draw you down because if you think say this person are your enemy and you they appreciate the person where we say you don't enemy the bitter. One day, what you do to Yahweh, he go do it to you with the Yale.
That's
because
so.
the world is vibers. What you sow is what you will reap. Anybody where God bless, if you not use the blessing where you will become low, you will become nothing. Onoge is a young boy. We women, we should stop to say that, man, this one be like this. Madam, I appreciate you so much. When the person is stupid, don't play to the role of stupidity.
Yes,
you should try to be as a waste of thing. Because you yourself, you get mad for us. When they talk about private partners, that.
Yes.
We should appreciate ourselves because we are Africa. We should give one love to ourselves.
Yes.
It's not that Onoge is mad. You should come out of mad because
I'm not mad. Now this video I'm doing, I'm just doing normal thing.
Stupidity of person.
Yes. I'm just talking normal, but I have to stop it.
Let there be peace in your home. Yes, we have to stop it. And we women, we must stand to stop Onoge from nonsense.
We have to stop Onoge. This is my topic.
Insult women too much. Not only Onoge, but many of the presenters. Not many women too much. And we describe women. When you know you have a woman, you have a woman in your home. You don't try it. You don't just bring it a woman in that woman is this, woman is that. When a person wrong you there's a way to intimidate them. Just look at there was a day, a Shine, because Shine have the past history just like your own wife, just like we are human, we are not perfect. The way Shine have your own past, now so your wife have past, now so you say have past. Everybody we have past in people use their hand, take cause trouble, take cause autonomy, take cause pain to themselves. So we should be very careful. Anybody will get husband, I'm a married woman, you will get husband, not try to insult another person because you know say it will come for you. Anything private part, whatever, people should stop it. We are Africa and the Edo is very civilized place. I'm not from Edo, but I love the way the Edo people, they are learned, they are civilized, as in they are Europe today, when they know when they know we Nigeria now because of Benin, they'll say, are you from Benin? Are you from Benin? Are you from Benin? That's what you go to hear from the white people, man. But Edo people on social media, we don't bring on ourselves too low. We should try to stop such nonsense because I was born and brought up in Benin. Benin is a very nice place to stay. They are very lovable people. We should try to love Benin. And from the Monica inside, you should start to bring people matter to affect other people. And the more you should stay away from people's trouble. You should stay away from their matter because you are not their family. You should try to manage your own family. That is life.
Thank you, my sister. May I still pick another call? Thank you. Thank you. Make I still pick another call. So the line is free now. So you can call in. I want you to call as a woman. I can't swear for Enogie. Enogie is bringing women down. That woman, just now, when they take a picking for Germany, that woman with 4 children. Enogie make that woman cry. I cry for that video. What Enogie do for that woman? Single mother with 4 children. Enogie come they accuse her, say the woman get HIV for live video. I shed tears. Say why we women not stand for we women to stop all this bully call of a man like this? Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Block that Pretty Diamond, please. That is so stupid and annoying.
Okay,
please.
let me block it. Pretty Diamond. Okay, let me
Pretty
block it.
Diamond, yes. Block
Okay.
that girl, please.
Let me block it. Pretty Diamond. Thank you. So the number is free now. Enogie come outside. Inside the pain where that woman dey. Enogie come dey talk. No, my mother, make they carry all his children. Make they carry all his children. Make they carry all his children. You know, concern me. Make they carry the woman, woman. Come begin to insult that woman. Come begin to insult that woman. I shock. No woman come out talk put. Because if to say I talk put that day now so they go come they fire me say I dey do saga. You understand? That made me rest. I can't leave her. Enogie come they curse this woman. They tell you say they take person pikin. You can't come out. Come they insult the woman. With lies, so all waiting till you saw that woman a lie. Oh. All waiting she tell you saw that woman a lie. The woman not be. The woman come they. Hello, my lady. Thank you for calling.
Hello?
Hello, my lady.
Yeah,
Thank you for calling. Okay, contribute.
Okay. Good morning, my darling. I want to contribute. Enogie. Enogie, we get amu we no ana sungu we dele.
Oh, sungu. Wo po ki agbe, won ko ki agbu e.
Wimu. Eya gwa ni mu na no amu na be Germany. Wa fule kuwe, ewe. O ogide post do wa ni ko na mu e. Eya gwa ni mu na no amu na. Not for women, shall somebody go to insult women. Women go still go to call you. Why they are telling Baba?
Yeah, tia baba. Yeah, tia baba. To wa ready, already. Oba, go.
No, you know when you look. My blood will be useless human being. Aládàáni ẹ̀dùn bá tẹ̀ bọ̀ nẹ́sítà ló wẹ́sítà tó kù ẹ̀ bá gbọ́ useless human being. Ẹ̀yà àgbà lè wo náà ẹ̀kọ́ mi mú nínú ewu máa wọ́wọ́ àbíyá lè wẹ̀ wọ́ àtẹ̀bọ̀ ní kú. Ọ̀dọ́ at the same time ẹ̀wọ̀ rẹ̀ tẹ̀bọ̀ mi ní ìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ọmọ ẹ̀wẹ̀ tó tiẹ̀ bọ̀ nìyẹn láwọ̀ gbogbo mẹ́ta máa ẹ̀. A priceless ọ̀ tiẹ̀ bọ̀ náà priceless.
Priceless náà tún wẹ̀rẹ̀ wẹ̀rọ wà lọ́ zùn wà. A priceless wọ̀ ọwọ́ àrísìbẹ̀ ní nẹ́pọ̀. Ọlọ́bì á lè tẹ̀bọ̀ mi iṣẹ́ òkè àwọn ènìyàn ló tẹ̀. No go gbẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ respect
enoge no wa Richard. Richard. Richard your mother is central. No, are they penny yen me or him a reporter?
I say yo, because
I'm more your mom or what him a debe, or what him a debe. Me, he got debe, animal see a police station bar. In a debe, animal has see a bar. Yeah, see your bulwa.
Useless human being. One of the shadow was so
Ogwoga gberi shadow wa moku gbe iko ya fefefe wa naked ni wa moku gberi shadow be priceless ogwoga gbe priceless ogwoga gbe priceless o e priceless o ma pave ko odun ati ebo ni ku ogwoga gbe Richard iya ki asun ku o priceless we Richard ogwoga gbo e o we see so my people na so enoge come outside he called they saw this single mother with 4 children where they take one of a pikin he called they talk say this woman get HIV the woman na 4 children 4 papa me when I lie that woman not be 4 children 4 papa the woman say he baby father still there for Libya he not join the cross say that the man he born the 3 children for and she come Germany now no say if you not get documents many people make their believe say if they born for Germany fine that they get luck that they use and give the documents. Now the woman come say since the husband there for Libya make him find documents make it forfeit take care of his children because if they deport that woman I know you go bring her come for Africa woman where he risking life he risk his children life take carry pass through Libya come is that woman not a hero woman he's a hero woman but I no get come outside come they cause that woman only what you talk bueno you understand so my people now so when it be say now so when it be say no get come outside if you not let me talk if I go tell her now say no get this video where you do now not make sense why you they insult this poor single mother where they take it picking where he suffer for why you they if I talk now they'll say I they do saga but don't be saga we need to they speak for each other they stand for each other may all these useless men may they know they abuse us again because now we born them come back for our body we push them out now we train them. Me, I get my way I train. My son is now a man. I train and I make carry for my belly for 9 months. So I'm telling my son, say, don't beat woman. Don't abuse your wife or not your wife. Respect women. Don't insult women. Women, they are so special. Women supposed to be love and pets. Not in another way round. I am teaching him now. Richard, ijue mama we ijue nyo son wije no bio. No ma kama wewe tari yogo ni ho. Ije da no bio ni Richard o kian sungu. Ogun kian gbijue. Ije no marie no ma tama wewe tari yuji no ho. Tari yuji no ho Richard. Ije no mama we ni Richard. Ogun kian gbijue ye Richard. Iye Richard ogun kian gbuwe. Umata mo vi wewe atie bono okonoro wodo. Atie bono okonoro wodo mata mo vi we. Mata mo vi we. Ari uji ni huo umaka me ye Richard ogwoga gbo wason ogwoga gbo ye Richard we no bi we do ya te boni huo we e social media na ye Richard ogwoga gbo wason ogwoga gbo ba fa ye Richard. So my people, enough of bullying for women. No more bullying to women. We are supposed to be loved. Yeah, I not be your mama, no me say me you not respect me because I be mother to another person. I not be your sister, don't say me you bully me as a woman because I am a sister to another person. Yeah? You understand? But my Richard not just train Richard. Oma say de coke say ya wa coqueria. Make I still block some people. Ije Richardi, owa koke Richardi muria. Owa mu Richardi. Ona muria we kiana. If person they cook for someone, I so fly just they disturb. Me I block somebody. Anybody where they tell me to make I block, now go they block. Eh? Ye Richardi, one of them Richardi agbori ya very ananya. Richardi. Mona radi ne wona wan make I block. You understand, my people? You understand me so, my people? You understand me so? Ije Richardi, why did you give birth to nuisance like Richard? Why did you give birth to nuisance? Disturbing the community of social media every day. Shouting, insulting people, betraying people because of 50 euros. What is 50 euros, Richard? Why 50 euro, Richardi? You insulting women? Women that is special, sweet mothers, sweet women, women where God go bless. God bless all the mothers all over the world. God bless women where never stillborn all over the world. Una must carry on our children. Una for enjoy the enjoyment. Not be all these stupid women, these stupid men where go come they insult women like Enogi. Enogi. Priceless way to get affection. Priceless. Who no affection priceless. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello? Yes, hello?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I don't pick your number.
Yeah, I just want to contribute a bit.
Okay, contribute.
I want to talk to you know, the wife.
Okay, talk my sister. God bless you.
She's not ashamed.
Okay.
She's not ashamed as a woman. The fact that you don't even go useless yourself on road and do all kind of rubbish. Right now, I think she's supposed to hide herself. Maybe they're not able to hear a matter. Maybe they're not able to hear 10 outside social media. Eh? She's not ashamed. I mean, if we're talking about no girl, they will feel understand the wife. Me, I don't feel allow any my like my husband will come begin to say they talk from morning till night. Not be say they walk. I mean, it's useless. You know, you try to go stay useful to yourself and your family, all right? Not just stay there, become liability to German government. It's not nice, okay? I don't make bad for you. Not be hate speech, please. Go out there and be useful to the community. Be useful to your family and be useful. Most importantly, be useful to yourself. President, try get some shame, okay? Try get some shame. All right, you don't go to school. Don't make sure you can't be foolish for you.
Very stupid, okay? Foolish person. You where you carry belly.
Very stupid.
Very stupid.
Carry man put for house and small rich. All the money where you work now, where you put this supposed to.
The one where they do a shower, all of them they give and no give. Very rubbish people. Blishy. Wait, prick no if you good. They use tablets. They fuck you. Then one day go sleep for your body. Go die. Put.
Exactly.
They use drugs.
Our people.
They use hard drugs.
They not talk to you. You just sit down. You know, go school. Not be excuse. I mean, they don't give you small paper. You get belly. Not be excuse. People get belly there. They see they do something very important. Go out there and be useful. Not just say how. Oh, I don't get belly. That life don't finish. The job benefit. You forget say by the end of the day, that benefit is the job. You know, you're beginning to come tomorrow. Come begin to insult you. Say, what do you use your life to do?
Yes.
Because obviously, the benefit they take now will affect your children in future. Definitely. I mean, because if you get useless, the children where you go to will begin useless.
Yes, now. Wait, don't they build 4 flats? They wait for the picking wait there for inside Bele. He will come here and want be here. Yeah, want for see the money now. The children money.
The benefit because
benefits. Don't they wait? He said
you don't go to calculate the government because they give you double money.
They
rely on Facebook and say Facebook don't monetize me. Okay, because of that, I know we'll do nothing again.
Monica don't send me 50 euro. Monica send me 50 euro.
Exactly. Even the Monica own self, I know you just want to go that side, but this is not the way just use the woman they behave anyhow. Go the not a man. A man should by now be at work. Say that you go to speak to your wife. Say, I beg, hide my family. I don't want this. You know what? Please respect yourself and respect me. Or that's the end of the marriage. That's how a man. That's how man they talk. That's how man they say they beat. You know, you go talk to the woman go listen. Not be say the woman go the support just because say money come. Priceless. Yeah. I'm ashamed of you. You're a disgrace to women. To be honest, you are a
disgrace.
Father, you never even hold a young girl like you. Marry one boy, okay. I mean, we're not be only, but no one say you be gold digger. You married
Gold digger. Salobwanela. No, Kenny bien. Make I just born, make it for they use the money till they build us. They're the very rubbish, the biggest central ever. The biggest central.
You cross your mouth. You cross the mouth. You don't see anybody talk, so you can't begin to insult as the monkey wife. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. For real? Because
that's why they insult people wife up and down. You get why you they insult people wife.
No matter what,
they insult people wife.
Don't do one people now. Make una keep quiet. It's very wrong. To be honest, nobody tell you the truth. You need to listen. You need to listen and put this into your head. Sit down and reason what they tell you. So not be for quarrel. I don't care what they drag for Facebook. I don't pay any group. I don't pay. I'm not fighting anybody. The video.
Tell her make it start to the insult women. Tell her my brother and my sister. And no, he has to stop insulting women.
Insult people. Stop saying insult people. You don't stop. I mean, if you won't come there, you get enough information. Go out there and bring out the information. Not come out there, they begin they insult people, begin they just stay on Facebook, they begin to do like mad person. That's not nice. You know? And for me, as I said earlier before I started this conversation, I said I know the wife I really want to talk to because I'm a woman, I get husband, I get family. I will not allow my husband just out there. Begin to useless himself, begin to describe every part of, they describe women, begin to throw mad. When you get wife, or it's a house where you get the wife, your wife, they at this stage, I mean, it's not nice, you really, really need to think back. Whoever they push you through, they do all these things. It's not nice. Monica got his family there, his family don't start enough, will probably not born again. Anyway, but you just the start life, One let one person where you don't ready for straight to push you into the life where you don't want to. You want to regret later.
Later I go call the other also as no. As my name drop I don't see your way.
With the grace to find out your body begin to send people every corner made the beg.
The doctor say I do people they do it. Where they lie for my head, you not talk that time.
To be honest, this the attitude and the wife will definitely affect the destiny helper.
It go affect them. Tomorrow now they not go talk say na I'm no get push me. I go deal with you and okay, really. Because that video now you for talk. I go deal with you.
Please change. Alright, for a good change, Not insult Esther, I guess, and not do you anything, advice she give you. Yeah? If you don't want to listen to her advice, you walk up and just no listen, not because people is so mad and insult the lady will not begin to try to advise you. She don't do you anything. What do you want to get for the salary? How much you pay? You don't be your maid, you earn 5,000 pounds a month. I mean, that they get 4 heads, they don't get 4 heads, now 1 head they get. Yeah? They sit down, they discipline themselves, go and discipline yourself and take your family inside and be responsible for one thing, okay? Useless boy. I beg, thank you, yeah?
Thank you, my sister. God go bless you.
Bye.
So, Enogie, stop to the insult women. Stop. You must stop her. You must stop to the insult women. Priceless. You are a bad woman. Priceless. Now Google kill you. Ask me be so. I want cook half of this okra. Fresh okra then. My people. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Block Gold John.
Gold John. Okay, me I look for her. Gold John. Okay. Gold John. Gold John. Wait first. Gold John. See, fake account kill your generation. Anybody more they tell me they block her. Me I not feel married the man where be say I not the fit talk to. I not go feel married. My people. Man we are not go fit talk to. He marry. He marry me yaw because if priceless not fit talk to a no gay for this a condition me a no gay yeah. Now be say priceless you go suffer there for 301 years. Now be say you go suffer there for 301 years. If you not fit talk to if you not fit talk to a no gay, make him enter house. Say because of your condition, umaiti gwe no gay gwa, gwe no lawa, negative boni kuo. Priceless, you are going to suffer for 301 years. Now that one that they call living in bondage. That one not be marriage now. You no fit talk to a no gay for this your condition. May you beg her, may you piss talk her, may you first stay, may you first born finish. He no fit listening to you, priceless. I'm ashamed of you as a woman. Me, I cannot marry a man where I not fit talk to say, baby, you see my condition now. I am heavily pregnant. Please stop problems. Stop insulting women. Stop. Just rest. So if you to insult women, be praying for women. Be praying for women. No gay. Please, you know I'm carrying baby. Please, because of my baby. No gay, please. Because of my baby, leave these women alone. Stop insulting them just because of me. Please. Priceless. Oh. Asha what was your now you were made priceless. Asha what you were. Now the Asha what you do. Now make you know. Now make you know if you get sense again to say this man don't love you. If you cannot hold a man for just 1 year, say make I fair born first, you can do your madness, but just give me this due respect. Make I just drop my baby first. If you not fit talk to a no gay. So how about me marry a god of video? Why are we? Oh, don't want to sniper. Oh, don't a sniper. A no gay. Hell. Hell. Priceless. I'm so ashamed. Why are you so desperate? Because of man, you go do a shower. You carry your boy baby, go a shower ass. That same man, you know if still talk to her. Okpianugwe zigo na. Okpianugwe nugwe help or time a live video when my yabu we. A priceless or zeve binye boy ni priceless way for priceless. Ije, my people. Ew. Pay me, oh. Pay me. You don't fit talk to man where he put you for us. Priceless, you be bad woman. Priceless, you be bad woman. You be bad woman. You don't fit talk to a no gay. May you sit and dance say no gay. This problem you are bringing now is not good. Eh? You let a no gay enter one chance for Esther hands. Eh? You know fit talk to her. Where you know say the document where they take give on her house. Now na first apartment now na day. So you know fit tell a no gay make it enter house. Priceless. Oh, hold down. Bad woman. Waiting Kima pass bad woman not this life. Una ya marry hold down. If man go succeed, it dey for woman hand. If man go fall, it dey for woman hand. If man go better, it dey for woman hand. Depend on woman where you carry. Depend on the woman where you carry. If me, I not go feel listening to man, not go feel listening to wetin I dey talk. I not go marry. I don't go marry. I go tell my husband something not go take. Eh? If they tell me, I they take. If I see doctor, I see waiting no good danger, they come. I go tell and say, my husband, I beg, this one don't pass, be careful. This one don't pass Romeo. He go still listen to me. You understand? He go say, my wife, that's true you talk, oh. He go so free, behave. But priceless, not the feel they talk to Enoke. Enoke just they use the hand. Hello. 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 You understand? Priceless. Egbe no ge o. Egbe no ge remana. Egbe no ge remana. Why you tell egbe no ge go? Oh, hold on. Priceless. Hold on. Hold on, priceless. He die no ge. No ge no go create than die a priceless. Because you no fit. You no fit talk to your husband. Say make he respect the unborn baby. Make he leave people alone. You no fit talk to them. He not into no fit still. Ah, God. Who want come they talk to each other for now? Who want come they? You know they think say he be baby mama go give her document. No, that document in here no. You know why you being silo now. Me ya make us get ba we ya make us get ka teme na ya manogi enogi on affair enogi stay out of trouble no here cause they cost me cause they cost every other women out there. Me report another woman go report her. I go find that woman where be say he get 4 children where the that single mother where no get call they cost for live video. Where call the cost say get HIV, I go find that woman contact. I don't get a Facebook, me na inbox me on Facebook. Me go report her, that woman go report her because the video where no get do it bully that woman. Person they cry say they exist the pikin. They no get call the cost and say say he get HIV. Say now just let's see go more they call the cost her. More than find me that woman number. Ya dama where. If we ya break and I go free, where go free working now. Hello?
My lady, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my sister.
Now they call her priceless again. Her name is Franca.
Franca.
Now name when he gives himself for road, now be that priceless.
Okay, now Franca be her name.
Her name is Franca Big Breast, aka Big Breast.
Big breast. Erosion breast.
Slippers breast. Now be that enoge baby mama there, aka infection toto.
Infection toto. Aka toto with the flush from Nyash.
Mama, you got a report enoge?
I'll go report him because he can't let put for my head. He say I buy papa. I not buy papa. Now make me want go report him.
You never go.
I never go. I'll go. Now today, this morning, now I see the video. Wait, pull life from my head.
I bet. Try make sure so you go.
I go. If I dey go police station, I'll do live video for road.
I beg. Reporter. That report enoge.
I go report. I go. If I dey go there, I go do live video. They go.
Yes.
I'll make them for see and say I go police. I want go make a side gay. But I need a real name. I need the real name. I don't know a real name. Name there for Yaduro. I beg you send that for me for WhatsApp. I beg you.
Useless boy.
Okay, send that for me. I beg. I want to make her go. So if I see a real name, I go fit deal with her.
Yes. A useless boy. Totolika.
Now to this morning, now I see the video. Now I see her. Thank you, my people. I go report her. I go away with a bullying. Equal. He had the bike where you have deal with you where. Koya no emu both of a live video. Rude 50 euro. Rude 50 euro. Rude 50 euro. Koya no go bully. Because of 50 euro. You go dey insult women. Wa kia lawe nu we priceless ni no ni ya infection pe kusini wa kia lawe ohun we ni mugwe ohun we mugwe una tie boni ho Ohun we emuwe. You know they fear. Ohun we emuwe. I suppose you know ohun we emuwe. You respect women because women, they are super. They are supreme. More sweet mother, look for the nice words to describe women because they are beautiful. They are sweet mother, women is, oh my God, I love women. Not because I'm a woman, no. I love women because they are so amazing. They are the most sweetest thing on earth. Women, anybody wey beat woman, you beat me. Anybody wey curse you go mother, you curse me. Yes. Women is the most sweetest thing ever. Women, they are the best because they are our mother. They are our aunties. They are our daughters. They are the one that gave birth to you, this useless enogi, where they insult women. Are you mad? Are you a learner? You are insulting my women. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? You have been doing this. Bully innocent women. Women who don't have a platform. You will come out because you have frustrated women that is also calling when you are bullying other women. Because you have a platform, you will just sit down and come and be cursing women. Are you mad? You are cursing Priceless. Priceless no. Priceless the infection pecus. Because you get live video, you will come sit down. Come and talk, yeah, what saga. Who are you sagaring? You are sagaring yourself. Are you mad? You don't get respect for woman. Are you a learner? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Are you yeah, zero boy your wow boy. You was oh yeah lads. Wa myoku yo edove. Who will call mommy? Mommy, I dey greet you, ma. Mommy. And so you go take the greet woman. Now so you're the great woman. If you see anybody where they curse woman for you, you say I beg go equal. Evian logogbe at your bono quo. Egani at your bono quo gave me near Elia Wesse. A no geneme palace. Eliga Wesse. Why me not your bono quo? If you see the curse woman another day, you'll say I beg leave women no. All those single mother you see there, so they know they talk to them, you leave them. You leave them. Now wait till you they use your mouth, they tell who never hear. Now wait till I will do you rich. All those women where their husband house, where you they curse. You say leave them, they be married women, or they not they curse them. The day we are curse married women. The day we are bully single mother. Wait till one Esther talk show do me. Not be smart you. Why are you no wetter? Mana you no wetter when we Esther. Oh, no munyame. We may dera many, may not dera. Can you not dera war game, man? Can you not dera? Well, I must be there, man. No K to Ogi. I don't know, oh, yeah, go. Esther dera, Medera. Akira, me mind Akira. You don't know when I done the Priceless in it. I don't want you go ya Akira, me mind Akira. Then when I done the Priceless in it. Eriwa ya mwebuwa ye meve. Waya time government even wakia. Eriwa ya riani yawa. Me no matter I me approve my way with me matter. I get not that I will win my way. You are more day area while a penny na maso or bonia, waria yawa. You are a bemue, what I'll say. I saw that they spoil everything. Come at me, oh me, me data for where. See, I dey open the fish wey I want use take cook. I dey our pieces and remove all the bones. You understand? I dey pieces the fish now. Come pieces and remove the head, all the shit, everything. So no gear. You see now, so that they spoil something. Me dera me. We're not there. I'm the other one. Wait, I have a live video whether or no. We're not when a pass sign in one. A pagele luenwe. A permanent sign in one. Why move here? You problem in a beg, eh? And then they go, yeah, go with live video now. Why Becky, you hear up? And then they be beg, eh? A pa wese because area te ya see well, le ravi riania. Beg, eh? Pa wese a pa dog wise well away pa na we yan your boy yo we not there we had to accuse him no matter we not there we had to accuse him no matter we not there the police ya give me this there we na wani me aya owe iwe wari ediri name wani me na do we jive we kia ne tun inu mu kia ne eke sniper eke non black a girlfriend already if to say the girl allow me to play the record now una for laugh una offense may you come see the way they describe enoge she mo wa gbe enoge wa enoge on manika na on manika all finish enoge ogbe enoge wa. I'll finish a nogi. I want be nogi. I'll finish it. Get up when Nick Bay, ya take over, but man, they go when Nick Bay. That you call it again, Nick Bay. For me, I dey respect people when they give me legit information. I dey respect them. They go my very on it. Ever not be the people where they let just. If he tell you may you not do something, you go do. And next time, you don't betray her. I not be a no way be betrayer now. A no ne betrayer. A no me marking. Ye no now. Ye no. So my people must still rest. Make this video not too long. We'll come back again later. I love you. Bye bye. Thank you so much for sharing. I bet more like and follow my page, oh, because now me I know now we don't pull left for one trouser. I beg more like and follow this page. Well, now later we'll come back.